Hi everyone, it's V from Beautiful Aesthetics. Here we go. Do you know there are conditions that make aesthetic treatments unsafe? And many people don't even know they have them. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Safety has never been proven, so we don't take risks. Skin infections or open wounds. Treatment can spread bacteria and delay healing. Active acne or cold sores. Procedures can trigger flare-ups and make them worse. Blood disorders or anticoagulant medications. Higher risk of bruising and bleeding. Autoimmune conditions. Some treatments can trigger flares and slow recovery. Recent sunburn or tanning. Huge risk of burns and post-treatment pigmentation. Severe allergies or history of keloid scarring. Always require extra caution. Here at Beautiful Aesthetics and Skincare, your safety is our top priority. That's why every journey starts with a consultation and skin analysis, so you glow safely, backed by science. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you soon. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have got it. And see you there. Bye bye for now.